In this video, we're going to go ahead and focus on the print functions located within NinjaTrader. Now, once you're into a chart, and if you want to go ahead and share a chart like this, any type of chart, you can go ahead and size it, do whatever you like, put whatever indicators that you like on here. All of that will be shared. Go ahead and right-click anywhere in the window, go down to Share, and you have the option of sharing your position, price, tab contents, or window. Go ahead and left click on anything that you'd like, and you can notice here I just set up the email, but if you have Twitter, stock twits, or anything else here, once you configure it, it'll go ahead and be listed right here. You can see the attached file here as well. You can change the name by clicking Save Image As. You can choose who to send it to, the subject, and the body of the email here as well. It will have a sent by NinjaTrader down here. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK, and that email will go ahead and be sent to whichever user you wanted to send it to. You also have the option of printing, and you can print either a chart or you can go ahead and print an order grid or anything that you see here. Go ahead and right click, make sure your printer is set up, go down to print, and you have the options of printing the order grid or the window. Just by simply clicking which one you want to go ahead and print.